Do you want to learn hypnosis? Do you want to amaze your friends and family members with the power of hypnosis? My friend, you might have seen a lot of videos on YouTube. You must be wondering how it is done. And you really wanted to learn it. Now good news is you can learn it from home. My friend, I am Pradeep Agarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. I am a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. I started learning hypnosis in 1972, started teaching in 1977. I have traveled all over the world. I have trained more than 500,000 people all over the world in 180 countries. Now, my friend, to learn hypnosis from home, you don't need to come out and attend the workshop in Hyderabad, which I used to conduct workshop, 2 full-day workshop in Hyderabad. People used to come from all over India and abroad to attend the workshop. Now, being a coronavirus period, you don't need to come out of your house. You can learn it from home. The good news is I am conducting a very simple but very powerful workshop on WhatsApp, 28 days workshop. Yes, it's a 28 days workshop, practical workshop. It's a video workshop. Remember, it is a video workshop which you will learn by watching me doing the things. Now, this is a 28-day workshop starting from 1st of June. Now, in this workshop, you are going to learn by watching me. Some of the clippings were from my live seminar, some of the clipping which you have recorded for YouTube also, and from just for this workshop, we have recorded some demos. In this workshop, I will give you a demo, explain to you, and then you will do it. Within 4-5 days only you started having fun with hypnosis with yourself and family members. You cannot go out right now because the coronavirus and lockdown period. Now, in this workshop, you will also learn some very powerful technique. Let me tell you what you are going to learn. You will learn what hypnosis is, how it is done, the theory about hypnosis. Then you will learn hypnotic imagination games, very powerful techniques. Then, not one, many of them I'll give you a demo and then explain to you, and then you can start doing it on others. Plus, while I'm teaching you, you can do it on yourself. And then you will learn simple hypnotic inductions, many of them, not 1 or 2, around 8 to 10 or maybe more videos you will watch where I explain to you how a person can be hypnotized and what are the symptoms of hypnosis and how you will know they are hypnotized. Simple inductions. And then you will come into instant induction, which you might have seen in the videos on the YouTube. You will learn, and you might have seen many of my videos where I am giving a demonstration. So you learn step by step, and then you will learn how to teach self-hypnosis, hypnotic pain control, plus I'll give you at least 5 techniques to do a content-free therapy. Content-free therapy means people don't need to tell what their problem is. They have to think in their mind and you can run the process and they will be healed. And all this technique doesn't take more than 5 minutes. You will see me in my live seminar where I'm teaching people and doing on them, and you can watch and learn and do it. This is a practical workshop. Why practical? Because I'll give you a demo, explain to you, and then you will watch me doing it, and then you will practice on yourself and others. Plus, you will learn self-hypnosis also. Now, my friend, in this workshop, you will get a manual which we normally give to my participants who come to attend my workshop all over the world. You will get a PDF of it, plus many more handouts. Now, this is a practical workshop. You will learn how hypnosis for fun, profit, and fame. How you will have fun, profit, and fame? Fun by doing hypnosis demos. Profit, you can do hypnotherapy. You can teach self-hypnosis, relieve their stress, anxiety, fear, and phobia. A lot of things you can do, which you learn by doing it, watching me in the workshop there. And then we will become famous, because when you go to somewhere, meet some people and started doing these hypnotic fun things, the hypnotic fun thing like imagination game, and then hypnotizing them, you will become popular. So my friend, this workshop is happening on WhatsApp. That means every day you will get a video lesson from me. I'll explain to you what we are going to do, then show you, and then you watch it and practice. It is not a theory class like just talking somebody and giving you some paper. It is a practical workshop. You will feel like you are attending my live training program in Hyderabad. Number one, my 500,000 people, 500,000 students, they tell everybody that I am the best hypnotist, and I teach things very simple and easy. By watching me, they have become hypnotists. And many of my students have become already trainers in hypnosis. They are already doing motivational trainings after attending my workshop, and many of them started hypnotherapy clinics. Now my friend, the course is starting, the WhatsApp course starting on 7th August. That means you don't need to come to Hyderabad to attend the workshop. You're getting lessons every day for 28 days, 28 working days. That means on Sunday you will not get any lessons. Now normal fee for this workshop is, when we conduct this workshop, the physical workshop in Hyderabad, we charge around 15,000. You have to come all over from places. You need to end up spending more than 30,000 rupees. Now as it is a WhatsApp workshop which will be there in the group all the time, you don't need to come to Hyderabad. The fee for this workshop is not 10,000, not 5,000, not 3,000, not even 2,000. It is only 1,100 plus GST, that comes to 1,298. Now remember what you get in this workshop. You get a bonus worth rupees 5,000 rupees downloadable video, which we already mentioned, and you get 80 HD quality videos. HD quality. These videos are not recorded on a mobile camera or something. It is a HD quality videos. Some of the videos will be from my live seminar. Some of the videos I'll be talking to you and teaching you. 80 HD quality videos contain 19 imagination games, 12 rapid inductions, 7 instant inductions, 3 imagination games to convert them into hypnotic induction, 5 healing method, content free healing methods, and you get 4 PDFs and you get a certificate. E-certificate, you will be certified. So if you really want to register for the workshop, want to become a master hypnotist, want to hypnotize people for fun, profit and fame, this is the workshop for you. It may not happen again. So you can register right now, enroll right now using Energy Exchange with the Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm. Number is already given there, and once you enroll, send us the screenshot on the number given below. Now if you want to register with the credit card, go to my website. The website link is also there. There is a Pay You Money button. Remember, Pay You Money button only for credit card. If you try to use any other method like Paytm, Phone Pay, in Pay You Money, your money will get stuck, will not get the money, and your money will be lost. So only use for credit card. Now if you're out of India, you can still register with PayPal button given there. You have to pay $25, and please send us the screenshot and your mobile number, WhatsApp mobile number, so that we can add you in the main group. This workshop is going to start from 4th September. First lesson you will get at 9 p.m. on the 4th September. After that, every day you will get a lessons except Sundays between 5 to 6. This is a 28 days working day workshop, and sometime on Sunday we will give you some sample, some interesting videos. Not all the time, but some Sundays we will send it to you, and this bonus offer is available only till 1st September. So if you want the bonus material worth 5,000 rupees, register right now, and see you on 4th of September 9 p.m. Thank you very much and have a lot of fun.